When you look at custom wardrobes, there's usually two ways that they're done. They're either done by a professional closet company, or they tend to be done by a trim carpenter. Usually with a trim carpenter, what they're going to do, they may use a wood product, multi-density fiberboard or some type of specialty wood, and they're literally going to kind of custom make those systems. In most closet companies, what you'll actually see is the product that's used is laminate. Most people would look at this and they think this is wood, especially with the wood grain look, but it's actually a laminate system. The reason a laminate system can be better is there's no painting, and even if my hands were dirty, I could wipe this off very easily. So laminate also has a lifetime guarantee. So with a wood closet, you can rest assured over time, you are going to have to repaint that or restain that closet. With a laminate, you're not going to have to do that. The other nice thing about the laminate is if you look inside of here, you will see, we call these increment holes. So every 1.25 inches, you can move, whether it's a shelf in here or it's a rod, you can move those up or down within there as well. If you want to learn more about wardrobes, feel free to give us a call. Come to our site, innovatehomework.com, or dial us at 614-545-6888. Thank you.